This is what you call neck bones. Down here in the South, we eat neck bones. Okay, so I have seasoned up some neck bones. I cut some onions up and put them on my neck bones. This just some slap your mama seasoning, some black pepper, and some garlic and herb seasoning. I put some butter and some onions on these neck bones. Okay, I added a beef bouillon and I added some water to my pan. I covered the pan with the neck bones in it with aluminum foil, and I am going to bake these until they are tender. Okay, so this is 30 minutes of cooking, which is somewhat semi-halfway done of the neck bones, y'all. I'm gonna add in some of these pigeon peas. These are some pigeon peas out the can. Okay. So now I have me some rice. This is jasmine rice, and I'm going to add this rice to the pan. Okay, so I covered it back up, and I'm gonna allow this to cook until the rice is done all the way through, and the neck bones will be done too. So this should be about 30 more minutes.